MCT, owned by MCT Consortium Berhad, accelerated its business to property development in 2005 and has since made its mark in residential and commercial properties in the industry. It began as a civil construction company in 1995 with integrated specialization in architectural, structural, mechanical and electrical services and precast construction methods. Today, the company has a land bank of more than 970 acres. Rooted in its corporate values, it capitalizes on its strengths in innovation and prestige under the growing MCT brand, spearheaded by the founders, Tan Sri Datuk Sri Barry Goh, MCT's Group Chairman, Datuk Sri Tong Sweet Wee, MCT's Group Managing Director, and Datuk Danny Goh, MCT's Group Executive Director. It continues a strong forward momentum, recognizing that professionalism and modernization are important in keeping pace with customer and community needs. To date, the MCT Group has successfully completed a total project value of 1.5 billion ringgit. Out of this 1.5 billion ringgit total project value, MCT holds a total property development value of 703 million ringgit from its current projects spanning across 62 acres of land in Subang Jaya, Shah Alam, Bangi, Selayang, Rawang and Port Dickson. Close to 2,000 units of the property developed consists of link houses, semi-Ds, bungalows, apartments, condos, link factories and shop lots, all of which have been handed over with Certificate of Fitness, Certificate of Completion and Compliance. The MCT Group currently has 7 ongoing projects covering a total net land area of 90 acres spanning across USJ, Putra Heights, Cyberjaya, Bangi, Templer Park and Johor with a GDV of 3.3 billion ringgit. The completion of these 7 projects will culminate in a total of 4,700 units of various residential and commercial properties, 273,000 square feet of net lettable office space, 842,000 square feet of retail space, and 600 units of hotel rooms, which will be available to the public. With the promising results and expectations from its current projects, the MCT Group propels forward into the future. For the next 5 years, the MCT Group has lined up another 10 projects with a GDV of 8.3 billion ringgit. The projects are located in Selayang, Cyberjaya, USJ, Putra Heights, Shah Alam and Medini City at Iskandar, covering 226 acres of land. When completed, these 10 projects will culminate in a total of 9,200 units of residential and commercial properties, 1.5 million square feet of net lettable office space, 1.67 million square feet of net lettable retail space, and 1,300 units of hotel rooms. Since 1995, the MCT Group has seen exponential growth. Our completed projects have seen a yield GDV of 1.5 billion ringgit, and we estimate a 220% increase of GDV for our ongoing projects. This adds up to 3.3 billion ringgit. Our future projects are estimated to yield a 252% increase in GDV, amounting up to 8.3 billion ringgit. After 5 years, the MCT Group is estimated to sell and deliver a total of 15,900 units of properties consisting of link houses, semi-Ds, bungalows, townhouses, apartments, condos, shop lots, link factories, service apartments, studio suites, office suites, and keep assets of 1.8 million square feet of net lettable office space, 2.5 million square feet of net lettable retail space, and 1,933 units of hotel rooms. The remaining 600-acre land bank, 460 acres in the Klang Valley, and 140 acres in Johor will be developed in the future. Part of the group's business entity is Kingsley International Education Group. offering the national UK curriculum comprising of early years education, primary and secondary education. Joining the group soon will be our Kingsley College. We expect great things in the future. We are committed to our continued growth. We are the MCT Group.